Hi guys, in this video I will be teaching you how to sort information on a spreadsheet either alphabetically or numerically. While I'm sure you could probably do this if you had enough time by just copying and pasting rows or cutting and pasting rows, the spreadsheet and the sorting tool allow you to do this instantaneously. So the first way we are going to sort the data in front of us, which is hockey statistics, is we are going to sort the information alphabetically. So that would be the information located in column A. So I'm going to do this wrong the first time just to demonstrate how this can go wrong. So I'm just going to highlight my first column here. So first name to last name. And then under data, I'm going to choose sort range. So again, I want to sort column A, and I'm going to do it alphabetically from A to Z. That's what I want. And then I'm going to click sort. Okay, so the data has been sorted, but two problems have occurred. Again, first of all, I accidentally sorted my name header here into it, and I didn't want to do that. I wanted name to remain at the top, and none of the information for the rest of the spreadsheet has been sorted. So now the data is mismatched and it's not correct. So there was two mistakes I made here. So I'm going to undo my mistake, Control Z, and I'm going to fix the first thing. So when you're sorting data, you need to sort all of the data. Otherwise, again, information gets mixed up. Names don't match numbers anymore. So I'm going to highlight everything from name in column A to column K all the way to the bottom to row 31. So now I'm going to sort all of my data, not one row or one column accidentally. So now I'm going to go back to the data column, click sort range, and now I'm going to fix my second mistake. So you remember when I sorted it the first time, it accidentally took my header and sorted that too alphabetically. I don't want that. I want the header to remain at the top. So I'm going to choose this checkbox that says data has a header row. So now I'm going to click OK and click sort. So now all the information is correctly sorted alphabetically, and numbers or correct numbers still match the right name. Okay, so again, sorting alphabetically is pretty straightforward, and most people can figure that out right away. It's when we have to sort things numerically where there's a bit of a gap and it's not quite clear in the tools in Google Sheets, but it's not that hard to figure out. So I'm going to sort this data again, but I'm going to sort it by the number of goals. That's column D, the G. So who has the least amount of goals? So I'm going to go back to the data menu, click sort range. I'm going to make sure data has a header row still clicked off, and I want to change it from name to goals, or G. Okay, so this is where people get confused because they don't see the words least to greatest or greatest to least. They just still see that A to Z and Z to A. So when we're sorting numbers, we kind of have to translate that into numerical terms. So the first radial point here, A to Z, that means if you're sorting by number, you're sorting from least to greatest. And the second radial here is Z to A. Again, when you're sorting from Z to A, that really means from greatest to least, or descending order. So I want to know, actually, I'm going to sort by greatest to least. So I'm going to sort by Z to A. It's one of those things. A to Z is ascending or least to greatest, and Z to A is greatest to least or descending order. And then click sort. So now I know my top goal scorer is James Van Riemsdyk. Okay, so in this video, we've quickly learned how to sort things alphabetically and numerically, and just remember the key things. highlight all of your data. First of all, select it all. Again, remember to check off the data has a header row checkbox, and to remember that A to Z is, again, least to greatest or ascending order sorting, and Z to A is descending or greatest to least. If you have any questions, email me or meet me on Google Meet.